My name is Gil. I've been selling high-end kitchens for the last 17 years. I started off as a part-time job while I was going through college, and it tended to be something that I love to do. I started selling just refrigerators and ended up moving into the high-end kitchen. I left a competitor to come to Universal because they actually have an elegant showroom. They have more to display, they buy in bulk, and they have availability of product.
So here we have the Fisher and Paykel hybrid range. We're gonna have half induction, half gas, and electric ovens. The knobs light up. The reason they do this is so when they're actually on and cooking, because of the low simmers that they drop to, they'll indicate from a distance if you accidentally left your range on. You're gonna have ball bearing racks also built into this. That's your 30-inch oven and your 18-inch oven. All of these BTUs drop to 140 degrees, so you can easily simmer chocolate without having to stir. 18,000 BTU boiling point on the front burners, 11,000 on the rear burners. And if you're interested in a Fisher and Paykel range, whether it be their European or professional, visit us at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. My name is Gil.